Hello friends, hope you're doing well. Today I'm going to show you my fridge. It's extremely messy. We're going to clean it and organize it with me. Can you see it? It just looks messy. And however we did grocery, my husband just threw everything in there. And I can see there is much more room in here that we can utilize it. So I'm gonna go ahead and start taking everything, getting everything out of the fridge and putting it outside, cleaning it first, and then bringing everything back. So right behind me is the kitchen island, so I can't go more farther to show you, but here, hope you can see because I'm almost up against the island. So you can see pretty much I emptied the all the drawers, the top one, and I don't want it to take everything out because do it step by step when you clean it. Now I'm gonna clean it and place everything where they go. I probably will use label this time because then the bins, when they get empty, my mom does not realize where they go and it just gets a mess. So does my husband. He does not. Probably he will ever learn to read labels. I do not know. Tell me how your husbands are. How do you manage that? Okay, do you teach them how to read labels? Because I am totally failing on it. So here, let's clean it. Okay, we are going to clean it. And I just wanted to point one thing that I do use homemade cleaner, but please, even if you do use homemade cleaner and not the chemicals one involved, you still put your gloves on, because you know what, if we women, as a mom, as a wife, we feed others as well. So do not go for your choice, not choice. You hate it, I hate to put gloves on, but you know what, I should know better. This is all the food is sitting here. It's just from those, and you will see that I will put them really condensed and nicely. Okay, I cleaned it and I washed instead of cleaning, my drawers were pretty messy. I took them out and I washed them. And then here is what I did. I'm going to use this easy liner. It's from Walmart, and I'll place the link. Amazon has it too, because at this point I'm not recommending you in these days just go out and get it. So yes, here it looks much more nicer and cleaner, and drawer on the bottom, it won't get messy, so easier to clean, get it out and wash it. I'm going to do it for all the drawer. It's $5.90 or 97 cents, something like that, and I don't think I'm going to use full 2 rolls for that. It's under $10. My fridge is going to dress up beautifully. Hey guys, or hey friends, my husband hates that, just saying hey guys. So hey friends, so I am not even done, just done with this part, with the lining and all those food, etc. Just wanted to say, always keep your dairy product up on the top in the fridge, as it has more cooling. I put my milk over there. I have 3 kids, and we drink a lot of tea, etc. And then, so don't think I stack. I always shop for 2 weeks. And then our yogurt, our food, my mom always cook for 2-3 days advance, which always saves us time. Salad stuff, my husband's cheese, etc. Eggs. I think egg I am going to move. Here is the messy part. I'm going to work on this, and then I'm going to give you the full tour. I do not think so. And on the bottom, I have to still clean. I don't think so. I am getting to the freezer today because it is already a lot. So my husband and kids are home, which my time is like difficult. I still work with my patients, so I still go to a different clinic now. But well, this is the difficult time. We have to help each other in the community. So this area I have cleaned. Actually, I took them out and I washed these drawers, and then I'm going to line them. I cut the lining by putting this over this, so tracing it the back of it, which is, it doesn't have to be perfect, but it does look nice. The next thing I am going to do, this Dollar Tree beautiful caddy bin, whatever you call it, tote, it's just really beautiful. Essential brand has it, but you will see they have it in all over the colors. So I'm going to use this for putting my grocery in. So here we're gonna place our peas and rest of the stuff. I'm gonna show you just that because it's gonna save me so much room. I'm slow because I'm holding my phone in one hand. I should order the larger tripod, but I don't have that one. So my mom is vegetarian, however I like more like mixed food, but most of the time we use, so see the little bag is holding peas, green peppers, and this is a kit from Costco, 2 or 4 salads for 4 persons, so it's like $5 for 4 meals. It's not a bad choice. You can see it's pretty convenient. We can take it out, we can grab like this. It's not a problem to get it out, but see how much space we have maximized. And our whole kitchen looks like a mess right now since everything is either on the countertop or on the floor. So this one I'm going to use it for cheese. My husband loves these cheddar cheese and the kids use the other cheese, but this cheese always like takes too much room inside of the fridge. So this is what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna place it in right there. Just use your space, kind of, you know, like see where you can maximize it. It does not have to be exactly how I am showing, but just think outside the box and whatever you can use it better. Trying to maximize your space. Just gonna cut all the fruit in pieces, pack them in baggies, and place them in the fridge. Okay guys, so at this point I have pretty much wiped down the whole fridge. This drawer, I am just going to use these as a divider. These are baking pan, comes 4 in a packet. My husband bought it for him. However, if I would have bought little like more deeper, but it's gonna really give me an idea that I can separate my fruit, etc., and they don't get jumble mumble. Cleaning fridge is a lot of work. I still have to do these 2 drawers, but yeah, I'm almost done. It's been 4 hours I've been working on it. However, it's almost done. Then I'll give you the whole tour of the fridge. My kitchen is still a mess, as you know. In order to clean, you always go through a process of mess. Okay, so here is how it looks like. These trays, next time when I'll buy a little more deeper, so everything could be in there. But the good thing is this one was a little not fitting, so it's sitting on both of them, but you see that there is a division between them, so everything is not getting messed up or so. My kids likes fruit, so it's like 2 weeks of or 3 since they are home not eating lunch even from school. So when I go grocery shopping, it's all fruit. When my husband go grocery shopping, it's all junk. I hope he does not hear that, but it takes less time for prepping and everything else. I also want to tell you that this liner I use, that's from Dollar Tree, only $1. I could have used all over, but these drawers were a little more wider, so I just didn't want to put a 1 or 2, 3 patching. So that's why I use the Walmart one, but that's more expensive. I didn't want it to run out because I still have to do these 2 drawers. So a lot of them here, so I just thought that that's a perfect choice for this. It's a little small, but I just pushed these toward on that side. So here you go. That's actually a deli drawers for all the deli you use, but we're not that picky. Okay, friends, so we're done. I'm gonna show you the clean. I still have to do the freezer though. The freezer section is not done, but you have seen this fridge in the beginning, how it was, and you can see now how I organized, and I will show you what I did. On the top there, milk, which dairy product always should be on the top because more cooling. And then as we cook fresh bread, so we always make flour for a day or two, rice, and then these I did all the fruit. I packed it in packages like these. I also made smaller package for the kids. They are home, but it's nice if the fruit is in the packaging, that they know how much to eat. This is my husband used in salad, so I just make the salad chicken, some leftover food, soup, and then lasagna, yogurt. So I put all the eggs in here. This time by mistake we bought 2. I brought home and my husband said, oh, I already got the eggs. So here I put mostly veggies, and these bins are from Dollar Tree, and I love the lining. It's gonna save me a lot of cleaning. Today it took 4 or 5 hours. Cheese, soup, and then these every drawer I have lined our fruit. I'm gonna see a lot of fruit because my shopping is all fruit. Some cheese extra, and then the bottom I already showed you. I really like how it turned out, these little trays, although I will change it and make them little, bring them little longer one, but so far it's good. And that's the one door of the fridge. These are Indian stuff. It's called achar, and the kids medication, just a quick one. Here is some extra snacks, etc. And then again here some chutneys we use. I love hummus, and I love pepper, so it is a roasted red pepper one, really good. I place my husband's cheese here. I don't like cheese, but the kids and the kids and my husband, and we're from Wisconsin, so everybody likes cheese there. This you already saw. I showed you guys all the veggies. The salad stuff is right here. You can easily grab it. So yeah, I really maximize the whole space. Hope you like it and get some inspiration. My kitchen is a mess right now, so the rest of the time I'm going to clean the kitchen. But I'm so glad the fridge it didn't need the detailed cleaning. It's all done, and it turned out to be nice and pretty maximized. So give me a thumbs up. And one more thing I wanted to say, welcome to my new subscribers, the one who did not care for my appearance. And it's kind of hurt if somebody tells you if you take your headscarf off, you might get more subscribers. I do not need judgmental people on my channel. However, I invite everybody. So come be my YouTube family. But if you chose not to, then I still say you thank you and have a great one. There we go.